knows burpees suck, but do you know if you're even doing them right? Here's a quick tutorial on proper form in burpees. It's a full body exercise. So when you're holding the plank, make sure you're engaging through the quads, the glutes, and the core. Shift your weight forward over your hands so that you're not starting back here behind your hands and your butt is not in the air. Make sure you jump your feet to the outsides of the hands. So it looks like this, not this. If you jump your feet right behind your hands, you're probably leaning forward, your head is gonna be down, and it's a lot harder to get your chest up. When your feet are wide, you have a lot more clearance to lift the chest, lower the butt as you jump up. So before you even start to jump up, it should look like this, not this. When you jump, push off the ball of the feet and use your hands to help with momentum. Try to land softly. When you put your hands back on the ground, try to keep the chest up, push away through the feet to jump the feet back into a plank position. If that's still not working for you, here's a couple variations that might help. You can always take out one or both of the jumps. If you have shoulder pain or if you struggle to jump your feet all the way to your hands, elevate your hands on a box or a chair and jump from here. No matter what option you take, remember that form is always more important than speed. Let me know of any questions and what exercise you want a tutorial for next.